Got a text message from my brother saying, I need to delete Blizzard, boycott them. I was really curious why. So I looked into it. Of all the things that let me turn this down. All the things that I've been willing to let go from Blizzard. The fact that they don't have a black female character and seem to refuse to do so in every single game that they've released, including the supposedly inclusive Overwatch, which I love to play. I never thought that they would be against democracy, of all things. Now, I understand that they're partially owned by a Chinese company, but this is the problem with these companies having too much power to influence politics. And this is something that I've talked about a lot. The way that companies exert their power over the market to basically tell us that we have to believe and do this thing because of money and nothing else. What Blizzard did was a Chinese student decided, or a Chinese player decided to say that they want freedom for Hong Kong during a match at a hearthstone tournament. And they took all his winnings away. And banned him from the tournament. I don't know, man. I don't know how they thought that that was a good idea, but it was awful. Hey, Freems. Therefore, this shit is getting uninstalled on both of my PCs. See, I got Lucid Fox up there. Oh, it's texting me now, telling me to get rid of it too. First, let's do Overwatch. Rip that band-aid off real quick. Thanks for the 50 biddies, man. Solidarity. When I speak about it on my channel, I fucking mean it. Goodbye, Blizzard. Oh, you don't have your PC right now? I thought you did. One down, one PC to go. Shit. Tripped over my fucking headset. If you see any mess in the background, please excuse it. We're in the process of moving some stuff around to kind of make things easier on us. Some fall cleaning, I guess you could say. And this, of course, is the PC where most of the magic happens. I gotta boot this one up though. I thought I left this on. I guess, oh yeah, you did tell me that. Let me know when that gets all taken care of. I'd love to have you back, bud. What do you know? I had it pulled up already. Good fucking bye and good riddance. Oh, you ordered it online? Goodbye, Overwatch. Hello, Paladins. And we were going to buy the Switch version. Hopefully, they go ahead and realize that they did an incredibly dumb thing. And I'm not usually one to believe in... Fuck, why is it still running? It's supposed to turn off. I left my dog outside. I need to get her in. True. I forget about that. And it's done. It's gone. Good riddance. See, I like to make it a point to not be a goddamn hypocrite when I talk about certain things on my channel. I can't speak for everybody, and if you choose to not delete the program, I understand. And you choose to use it, I understand. My personal choice is I stand up for freedom, for democracy, for people of Hong Kong, for solidarity, people wanting to be able to live as they want to live. I preach that on my channel. I have to live by it. I don't believe that boycotts work all that well, but I think in this case it might, because it's big enough. The problem I usually have is that not enough people participate. And I'm hoping people do, which is why I'm broadcasting this. Yeah, you don't want to get a PC from Walmart. These things suck. Even their gaming PCs are shit and poorly built. So, it's done. Consider me a Paladins player from now on. I'll be re-upping my stuff tonight. Even though it's really just a hypersexualized version of Overwatch. It's kind of butt ugly, and it doesn't exactly play the same. I'm going to deal with it. But until Blizzard undoes this mistake, I'm done. So, thanks for coming by, guys. I'm going to post this on my YouTube too, so solidarity, always.